So I just bought this car for a couple $100. The guy said there was a problem with the engine, he believes. He couldn't figure out what it was. So every time he started up, it makes a noise like that. Alright, so I'm gonna show you guys how to fix it. So it's not a problem with the engine. You don't need to do this, but you can. So this part needs to be changed right there. I diagnosed that it was this one by just taking it out. You just gotta clip it and pull it out. You see, just comes out like that. Then you can put this back in. Alright, now when you go start it up again, it doesn't go. So you can get that fixed by just like replacing that one little part, or you can just keep it like that, disconnected. But yeah, dirt cheap, man. I got this car. Nobody could figure out what that issue was. Just figured it out. Now I can sell this for a couple thousand. Low kilometers in that, guys. Well, considered low for a car like this. 2013 Dodge Avenger.